Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to restore your recently deleted posts on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app. Go to your profile, from the bottom right corner. Then tap the menu icon, in the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. From Settings, go to Accounts. Now find Recently Deleted. Tap on it. Here you will find your recently deleted posts. Tap the one you would like to bring back to your page. Tap the three dots over the post. From the pop-up menu, select Restore. To confirm, tap Restore. That's it. Your post is back on your Instagram page, as it was before you deleted it. Try to restore the remaining one. Posts will be available for restoration for 30 days after you delete them. Now go to your profile and check. So in this way, you can restore your recently deleted posts on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.